Y'all boys ready? This been a long time. Okay, for real, on God, I hate that. Yep, we're getting power. We're getting power and Makima to like fucking tier 3 or burst 3. Today we are here because of the I can't even. Oh, we're gonna go for power. How much base for? Hold on, chill. Not right now. We're gonna fucking summon. We're gonna get this woman. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Dude, I wish I had my glasses on so I could see fucking chat better, but I'm blind as shit right now. Did you buy? I did not buy 13,000 gems. Oh no! Fake out. Oh, this is kind of a rough start though. Oh yikes! Oh yikes! You had 11k. I don't know what you're talking about. No! No! Okay, hold on. Power, don't do this to me, woman. Don't do this to me, Power. I love you. I love you more than Makima, huh? How about that? Please, Power, don't let me down. Please, for the sake of humanity. Oh, it was 87, by the way. Oh no! Hey, 3 tickets down the drain. 3. This dude, there's no way. 3. Oh! Abnormal right here. I feel it. Come on. Oh, it's the first one. No, it's missiles. I already. Oh shit. How about if I reset the game? Resetting the game would help. It's not dumb. Oh god. Okay, I might have to restart my game. Yeah. Okay. What the fuck is this? I do have 300, so that's only 1 copy. I'm Makima. Please don't do me that as Power. Please. Oh my god. Fake out. Oh my god. We gotta go 3 summons here. 3 summons and 3 summons over. Oh no, this is bad. If you give Makima in 4th pull, you're better than me. Oh no. You might need to buy some gems for both. Yeah, I'm not. If dude, no. I'm buying them with pity points. I know I'm gonna reach 400 pity points. Dude, I love that emote, the Ragey. Oh, this is bad. Oh, we're getting Himino today. Nice. Fuck yeah. Oh, what is this summons? What the fuck are these summons? What are these summons? Nothing. Oh. One SSR out of like 9. No. Okay, this game is a fucking scam. Please, just give me power. Just give me 1 power. Oh my god, please be power. Please be power. Oh, the second one. Oh my god. Add normal. I need you at normal right now. It's a Tetra. How much gems do I have? Ain't no Brody. Only SSRs. I mean. Hold on. How much? I have 14k. Final reset. Maybe. No. Okay, fuck. I have 300. I have 370. So 3 more pulls, and I'm gonna get both 1 copy of both. This is bad. This is. Oh my god! Please. Please, my luck. And normal. Please be 3. Please be 5. But I need like 30 SSRs. Ah! Oh! Let's go! 1 out of like what? 3 like 30 multis? Oh, that feels bad. But at the same time, good. We just kept now. Oh, we finally got 1 copy. You had 24 games in total. If you buy 600 more, that equals 3,000. You I get you. But we got them. So now, oh, we have 11k left for Makima. Let's see how this goes. If I don't get her, I go do one copy. Oh my! Fake out. Makima fucking hates me. Look at this. Look at this. This is absolute fucking garbage. Yo, this banner's. Oh my god. Yo, Makima, don't do this to me. I think this is the last one, right? Yeah, last one. Ow. Ow. Ow, this hurts. Literally only took me 6 to get her. This is bad. No. Okay. Holy shit, dude. It was here, right? Oh. Oh, wow, I pulled. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. That's so dumb. And yeah, we're going back to get power, which is probably the dumbest idea I've ever done in my entire life. Don't do this. I did it because I got shafted, and I feel like I'm not ready. I'm getting a 3-3 power no matter what. Here we go, boys. Boys, I'm telling you. This is it. This is. Oh no. I feel it in my bones. Really? Fake out? Oh. Okay, game, please. Please, game. I will suck your penis. I will suck your fake game penis. If you let me get like a fake out right now. Oh my god. And let this be at normal. Oh my god, the first one. What's good? Yo, what's up, Binks? How's it going? I'll pull cam after I finish with my drink, alright? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come. 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 Come! Ah! Oh, that's good. This is what I'm talking about, baby. Should we actually? You know what? At this point, why not? Let's go for the 0. Let's go, baby. Oh, fake out. Oh, no fake out. Okay, well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Where's power? Where's this woman? At least I got her. Oh my god, I got her core 1. Unforgivable. Alright,